Hi everyone. So the third question is page with no likes. It is a Facebook SQL interview question. Assume you are given two tables containing data about Facebook pages and their respective likes. As in like in a Facebook page, write a query to return the IDs of the Facebook pages that have zero likes. The output should be sorted in ascending order based on the page IDs. So we have been given a pages table which has a columns as page underscore ID or page underscore name, and what and also the page likes column, page likes table, which where we have to return the page ID, return the ID of the Facebook pages that have zero likes. Okay, so here is the likes defined, and here is the page ID. So 207. Okay, so we let's say it's simple. Let's select the page ID from the pages table. Let's call pages as P, or yeah, okay, and page ID from pages as P, where P dot page ID not in select, and we select page ID from likes table and we call it as PL. I think this should work. Let's try it. This is returning this and this. Maybe there is a input difference between both of them. Let's submit it and check. Yeah, it got accepted.